What's up? We're supposed to be going to the Washington AutoZone and shit, but knowing how the people I know, probably not.
P.S. Hope this letter reaches you.
My favorite car in the world.
Yeah.
My favorite car. I just love this car. It's so fast. It's so expensive. It's so luxurious. I can drive these 200 miles an hour on the highway, no problem. It's fucked up.
I know.
Don't get carbon fiber.
It's just carbon fiber. It's not zooming.
This car, you just painted the roof black.
I know. It's gay.
Back and fit in the trunk.
Maybe. I'm gonna close you in it.
It passes the test. Buy it. I can fit in the trunk. You gotta buy it.
What is she doing? What the fuck is she doing? You're excused.
You want a car named Julia?
No.
It's Julia with a G.
Yeah, it smells Italian.
That's the souped up turbo.
Is that a Lotus?
That's the one I came for. Alright.
That's not a Lotus.
That's an Alfa.
Like I said,
Beats audio in the trunk.
is this
you guys.
stop?
Yeah,
For real?
it's a stop. It passes the trunk test. If I can fit in the trunk.
That's what it is. This dude, this guy, this thing is a chick. She works down the street from my house.
See, 50 horsepower. Sorry. Look at the gear shift. Look at the gear shift.
She said it. She said it. No, no. This shit isn't me.
Yeah, this is so you. This car is so wide. Get in. Tell me it's not you.
I don't like Audis,
Get
man.
in. Get in. Tell me it's not you.
This.
Tell me it's not you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can't see myself in no Audi though, bro.
It's in the back though. It's a hatch.
Yeah, that's like a lady said. She said she don't like hatches. It's a hatchback.
Come on now.
It's not enough space. So I'm gonna have dogs. Oh, look, it's a fucking alien spaceship.
Something off of Men in Black.
Alright, where's the Honda's at? Yeah, I talk to myself too. How you doing, Rebecca? That's what she did. She like started talking to herself. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Bien, gracias.
See? So see, someone who answered me back.
You know what I want to see?
Now this, ladies and gentlemen, this is a car.
I want to see the.
These are cars right here.
The What What is it? The one that
Hey, you're in my way. Sorry.
What about the one that just came back? What is it called? The coupe.
Hold up. Still that shit. But look at that. Where the fuck that Acura at? People getting on my nerves, so I'm about to go home. Yo, son, why does chick keep like running around in circles and shit? Fucking creepy ass nigga. Where the fuck is she? It's like just running around in circles in the fucking parking lot. Like what the fuck? What? Look, where'd she go? Nah, she going that way now. What the fuck type of shit is she on? Hold on, I wanna try this Acura, this fucking crazy bitch. Oh shit. Yeah, went to the liquor store. Like I said, they didn't have the Tippy Cow chocolate. They had like Irish, the other Irish stuff. Irish stuff. I'm gonna try this. See how it is. Dude said like add milk or something. But I'm gonna try it with and without it. So I'm about to do a taste test now. Alright, so it's good. It's pretty good. It's good with and without the milk. It's a little bit better and less strong with the milk. Like it's hella fucking strong. Got a strong ass taste with the like it's chocolate taste without the milk. Yeah, it's still good as shit, but still doesn't compare to like Tippy Cow. Oh, I gotta go. I heard that Honda.